Good day, sir. We are the teamwork, and we're going to share to you our conceptual ERD. So, the proposed system, tenant management system, aims to address the inefficient and manual handling of tenant records, rent payments, maintenance, and lease agreements in rental property management at Hayes Street, Piniquitan, Kumaman, and Cagayan de Oro City. The manager currently relies on manual process to manage the rental property using Microsoft Word and Excel to record tenant information, rent collection, deposit tracking, and payment monitoring. So this outdated method is prone to human error, data loss, and delays. So without automated reminders, late payments and unpaid bills are common. Property maintenance is also a challenge, as repairs and cleaning are often done only after tenants move out, especially when damages are not reported in advance. Managers depend on personal reminders for due dates, which can be easily missed, so the tenants are expected to keep their own records, such as receipts and proof of payment, which can lead to confusion and disputes. So overall, the lack of centralized and this system makes rental management inefficient and time-consuming. This system allows manager to easily manage, locate, and update tenant information as well as track rental payments and property concerns, and it also generates reports and enables tenants to register online and managers get notified for new registration. So we're going to share to you our diagram and we're going to discuss how or what is the flow in our system.
Property handles manager. The property is managed by a manager. This means the manager is responsible for overseeing the property and its operation. Property rents to tenant. The property is rented out to a tenant. This show the core relationship between the property and the person who will occupy occupy it. Manager approves less. The manager reviews the and approves the less agreements. This step ensure that the less term are acceptable and all the requirements are met before proceeding.
Tenant, tenant sign list. The tenant sign the list. This formalizes the rental agreement and makes it legally binding. Manager verifies deposit. The manager verifies the deposit. This means the manager checks that the tenant has provided the required security deposit. Tenant pays deposit. The tenant pays the deposit. This is the financial transaction where the tenant gives the security deposit to the property management.
Manager monitors payment. The manager monitors payment. This involves tracking rent payments to ensure they are made on time and in full. Tenant makes payment. The tenant makes payment. This refers to the tenant paying rent or other re- required fees. Manager oversees maintenance. The manager oversees maintenance. The manager is responsible for ensuring that the property is maintained and any issue are addresses.
Tenant request maintenance. The tenant requests maintenance if something needs repair or attention. The tenant notifies the manager, and manager receive notification. The manager receive notification. This is the process where the manager is informed about maintenance requests or other important updates from the tenant.
So, yan lang po yung about sa aming diagram and thank you. Bye everyone.